Good morning, students. So as we have completed second chapter, that is polynomial, and I have given some homework as well. And now today I'll start with the linear equation in two variables. Equation. First of all, equation. What is equation? Equation you got in class 6, in class 7, in class 8, class 9, now class 10. In class 6, class 7, and in class 8 you got in one variable equation. Now this year and last year you got two variables, this year as well. Now what is equation? What is the word equation means? Word equation means equality of two algebraic expression. So please write down, children. Equation means equality of two algebraic expression. Equality of two algebraic expression. That means, suppose twice x plus 5 equal to 6, or x plus thrice y equal to x plus y plus 6. See here, this is one algebraic expression, this is a constant. Here both side algebraic expression. Okay, so and middle, these two are connected by the sign equal, and that's why the equality of two algebraic expression is known as equation. So last year you got two variables. Now last year you got the two variables only a part. Now this year you will get that how to solve. So first of all, you please write down the example of the two variable equation. This is the example of two variable equation. Now equation you got. Now let's see what is equation in two variables. That means if an equation contains two variables, two unknowns, two variables, that is two unknowns, that is known as equation in two variables. That means standard example is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is a standard linear equation in two variables. Now what is linear? The word linear means 1. That is degree 1. Here you see what is the power of x? 1. Power of y? 1. And this is a constant polynomial. So degree is 0. So highest power is 1. And that is why it is known as linear equation in two variables. Okay. Now this year we are going to get that how can we represent linear equation in two variable graphically, then how many types of solutions. So please write down first that what are the points where we are going to get today from today's class. First one is that you got already that what is linear equation in two variables. Next we'll see that how many types of solution, okay, how many types of solution from a linear equation of two variables. Now number one is unique solution. Unique solution. Now what is unique solution? Unique solution means if the value of the variable is only one. Only one means what? Suppose this is one equation, x plus y equal to 5, and this is another equation, x plus twice y equal to 7. Now if we get x and y in such a way that for both the value of x and y, both the equation will be satisfied, that is known as unique solution. If not, if more than that, then it will not be unique solution. Unique solution means 1. Here you have to remember one thing, that the solution, last year also you got, the solution of a two-variable equation depends on number of variables. Here 2 variables, that means we have to get 2 equation. If we have a 2 equation, then 2 variables, that means we will get a solution. Now it is not necessary that every time that there will be 2 equations and we will get every time unique solution. Not necessary. Not necessary. Then what is the condition? Condition is that, suppose if I convert it into a standard form, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then unique solution if a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. If the coefficient of ratio of the coefficient of x is not equal to ratio of the coefficient of y, then we will get unique solution for the pair of linear equation. Now you see, we will check this one. Here you see what is a1? a1 equal to 1. What is b1? b1 equal to 1. What is c1? c1 equal to minus 5. Did you understand why it is minus 5? Because standard form, what was the standard form of linear equation? ax plus by plus c. Here a1x plus b1y plus c1. So if I shift 5 to the left hand side, it will be minus 5. Then let's see. a2 is how much? a2 equal to 1, b2 equal to 2, and c2 equal to how much? Minus 7. Therefore, 1 by 1 not equal to 1 by 2. So therefore, the given pair of equation has a unique solution. Given pair of equation has a unique solution. Did you understand? Now let's proceed to the next one. That is, next one is that infinite solution. Better you write infinite solution. Infinite slash many solution. Infinite solution or many solution. That means we'll get more than one solution. If we get more than one solution, that is called infinite solution or many solution. Now last year you remember you got in class 9 that find 4 set of points. Now suppose if I ask you that find 4 set of points x plus y equal to 5, then what you have to do? X 5 minus 5. Now already I told that the number of variables should be equal to the number of equation. Then there is a chance of getting unique solution. Here number of variables is 2, equation is 1, so there will be infinitely many solution. Must be. So let's see. X, Y. Now this is also, what is the other name of this? This is also known as dependent equation. This is also known as dependent equation. Now dependent y, if you know y, then you will get x. If you don't know y, you will not get x. That means x depends on y, and that is why it is known as dependent equation. Now let's see. Y equal to 0, x equal to 5, y equal to 1, x equal to 4, y equal to minus 1, x equal to 6. And you can continue to get many values. That is, values are 5, 0, 4, 1, 6, minus 1. So, here you see, here one equation, and obviously we are getting infinitely many solutions. But this here, there is a linear equation in two variables, so we have to justify with two equations. Now, if we have to justify with the two equations, then what do you have to do? Then the condition is that, so I drop this one, okay. But this equation I not rub, equation it will be needed. See, no infinitely many solution under what condition? If A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. If the ratio of the coefficient of x is equal to ratio of the coefficient of y equal to ratio of the constant term, then we will get infinitely many solution or infinite solution. Now, see, this is one equation. Now, if I ask you, make another equation so that we will get infinite solution. Then what you can do? Suppose it is, we have to keep in mind that ratio should be equal. Ratio should be equal. So here you see 1, 1 and 5. Now what to do? See, twice x, twice y and 10. Then what will happen? See, A is 1, B is 1, C is 5 minus 5, then A2 equal to 2, B2 equal to 2, C2 equal to minus 10. Then you check 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2 equal to minus 5 by minus 10 equal to 1 by 2. So that means what we get? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. That is half equal to half equal to half. And that means this given set of equation, linear equation in two variable, has infinite solution. Okay? If I ask you, keep this one as it is, make another equation so that it will be infinite solution. Then how can you do? Just you see. This one I have written. Yes or not? First I have written. Now let's see. Thrice x, thrice y equal to 15. Then what will happen? It will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Once again, these two has infinite solution. So remember, children, there may be a question that they may ask you for that given one equation, find another equation which will give infinitely many solution or infinite solution. This is the second one. First one, what was that? Unique solution. Unique solution is the, what is that? It was A1 by A2 equal to, not equal to B1 by B2. This is the first one we got. Now what is the second one we got? Infinite solution. That is A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. This is the second one we got. Now let's see. Next is that third one. What is the third one? Third one is no solution. No solution. No solution. That means what? We cannot get solution at all. In that case, what is the condition? Condition is that A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to not equal to C1 by C2. So remember that A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2, then we will get no solution. Now, if no solution, if I ask you, like last time, that x plus y equal to 5. Now make another equation which will give you no solution. Then what it will be? Just you check. X plus y equal to minus 10. Then you see A1 equal to 1, B1 equal to 1, C1 equal to 5, minus 5, minus 5, A2 equal to 1, B2 equal to 1, C2 equal to 10. Now it will be 10 because it is minus 10. When you change the side, when you come to the left hand side, it will become positive. So it will be plus 10. Now you check. 1 by 1 equal to 1 by 1 equal to minus 5 by 10 equal to minus 1 by 2. Is it equal? Is it equal? The both condition, it is not equal. First is that it is 1 by 1, 1 by 1, it is 1 by 2. So not equal. Second condition is that both are positive. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, both are positive, this is negative. So obviously it is not equal. So given set of equation has no solution. Given set of solution has no solution. That means we cannot solve at all. We cannot solve. So first one is unique, second one is infinite solution, third one is no solution. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. Got it? Now in relation to these, if I ask you that these three conditions, under these three conditions, what will be the nature of the graph? The nature of the graph will be this way. As it is in unique solution, first one was unique solution, that means both the equation will intersect exactly at one point. Exactly at one point. So for first condition, that is A1 by A2 equal to not equal to B1 by B2, it will be like this. This is y dash, x dash, this is 0. If we draw any two equation, then these two will intersect. So this is unique solution, means intersecting equation, intersecting line, point of intersection. These two equations, suppose if this is the first equation, this will be the second equation, and these two line, because this is a straight line equation, so when they will draw, we'll get at one point both the line will intersect. So this is the representation of the unique solution. Now let's see representation of the second condition. If it is infinitely many solution or infinite solution, then what will the graph? See, in that case, that means graph will be overlapping. Graph will be overlapping. How it will be overlapping? See, this is one, this is another one. Then if you draw another one also, it will be same. That means if we draw the two equations, it will overlap each other. How it will overlap? Suppose this is one chalk, this is one equation, this is one equation, this is another equation. This will be just like this. You see, if I keep this one on the board, then you see this is the first straight line, this is the second straight line. Do you understand? Similarly, if I keep here, then this is the intersecting line. Then the last one, that is last one is what? Last one is no solution. If it is no solution, what will be the graphical representation? See, no solution, that means there is no relation between the two equations. There is no relation between the two equations. If there is no relation between the two equations, that means what? They will be parallel to each other. They will be parallel to each other. This will be parallel to each other. That means if this is one line, this is another line. If neither their values same, not they have a unique solution, rather they have no solution, then this will be the where these two lines will be parallel line. So no solution means parallel lines. Unique solution means intersecting line. Infinite solution means overlapping lines. Is it clear, my dear children? Then, so what we got? First we got to know that what is equation, what is linear equation in two variable. Then we have seen that what are the nature of the solution. What are the nature of the solution? If they are whether they are unique, the infinite or no solution. The last one related to that is, see, first and second, at least we got something. We got something. What is that? Either they intersect or they are overlapping each other. Either they intersect or overlapping each other. So then, in that case, if first and second condition fulfilled, then we will say that the pair of equations are consistent. Pair of equations are known as consistent. And if there is no solution, that is parallel lines, then we will say that inconsistent. Inconsistent. Inconsistent means no solution. Consistent means somehow we'll get some solution. Clear? Is it clear, my dear children? So remember, this is very, very important, and it is not so tough, because if you got how to find out the values and all in the last year itself, this year only you are come to know that how to represent a pair of linear equation graphically. Last year you got only the intersecting one. This year, or maybe one equation. This year compulsorily there should be two equations. Okay, clear? Now I'll give some homework. Homework is that exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. I'll give. See, Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were. As old as you were. Then, remember, here there are two variables. What is that? First one, you see, Aftab tells his daughter. Who told? Aftab. So, Aftab age should be there. And automatically,